In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your last account activity login history. This is a quick way to see exactly when and where your Gmail account was accessed, so you can confirm everything looks normal and act fast if something seems off. First, open Gmail and go to your inbox in a web browser. This works best on a computer because the feature we're using appears at the very bottom of the inbox. If you're on a phone or tablet and don't see it, switch to a desktop browser or use desktop mode in your mobile browser. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of your inbox. In the bottom right corner, look for the line that says Last Account Activity. Right next to it, you'll see a link labeled Details. Click that. This opens a small window with a concise security snapshot of your recent sign-ins. In the pop-up, you'll see the last 10 times your account was accessed. You'll get 3 key pieces of information for each entry. Access type shows how Gmail was reached, such as a browser session, a mobile app, or POPI3, which is when an email app or service pulled messages from your account. The IP address column shows the network address used, which can suggest a general location. Keep in mind, locations can appear a little off if you're on mobile data, a company network, or a VPN, so look for patterns you recognize rather than expecting perfect precision. Finally, the date and time tell you exactly when the access occurred using your account's time zone. Scan through the list and confirm the activity aligns with your own usage. For example, a browser entry at a time you were on your laptop, or a mobile entry that matches when you checked mail on your phone. If everything looks right, you're all set. If anything looks suspicious or unfamiliar, take immediate action using the control at the top of this window. Click Sign Out All Other Web Sessions. This forces Gmail to sign out your account on every other device and browser, leaving only your current session active. It's a fast way to cut off any access you don't recognize and get back to a clean slate, especially if you logged in on a shared computer or simply want peace of mind. That's all there is to it. Open Gmail, click the Details link under Last Account Activity, review the last 10 logins, and if needed, sign out of all other sessions right from that window. It's a simple habit that keeps you informed and helps safeguard your account.